Replacement. A pair of pliers, 8mm, 13mm spanners and 2.5mm flat hexagonal wrench required. First step is to release the brake cable on the front wheel. Use the pliers to remove the aluminium cap from the end of the cable and withdraw the cable from the brake band. Then release the front axle with the 13mm spanner. Remove the nut and the spring washer and plain washer. And then withdraw the front axle. 2 aluminium spacers will fall out from either side of the front wheel. Next, remove the 6 screws that keep the front fork together. Each screw has a spring washer underneath the head, not underneath the nut, and this spring washer must be retained for use during reassembly. Remove the top half of the front fork. This is the right hand component. This then exposes the cable and the cable noodle, which is the thin tube cable passes through. Remove the spring from the end of the cable and then withdraw the cable from the noodle. The lower half of the front fork can then be removed and the front steering, the lower steering joint slid off the front lower tube. At this point the front lower bearings can be replaced if necessary. Then to remove the clamp itself, remove the bolt that connects the quick release clamp with the quick release lever. And then slightly spread the clamp and slide it up the tube. Remove the 2 top liners. These again can be replaced if necessary. And then press the main buttons in so that the lower tube can be slid off the upper tube and the cable withdrawn. And remove the main spring that holds the buttons in position. The front clamp can then be again spread slightly and slid off the tube. Refitting the front quick release clamp is the reverse. First, remove the quick release lever by removing the bolt. Slightly spread the clamp to pass it over the lower liners. And then reassemble the quick release lever. This does not need to be fully adjusted at this stage. Then pass the main spring over the cable and install. So a pair of long nose pliers makes this operation easier. Then with the front reflector pointing forwards in the direction of the top handlebars, slide it up into position so that the buttons pop out, and then slide the upper liners into position, either new ones or the old pair. Front and back are the same. And then with the quick release clamp on the right hand side of the bicycle, matching the rear, slightly spread the clamp, slide it down until it snaps into position.